Hello everyone, welcome to this screencast. Today we will be speaking about Core Linux, which is a very small Linux distribution and very modular tool. Originally, Core Linux was known as Tiny Core, and it has various modes of operation. Primarily, we'll be looking at the cloud operation mode, where the entire distribution is loaded into the memory and run from memory itself. Uh, Once you shut down your Linux installation, all the changes are actually lost. So there are various strategies of how to do persistence in cloud mode. We'll talk about it once we get started. So let's get started with booting the Linux. We'll use VirtualBox for our experiments. Here is the machine definition for Core Linux. So we have 1 GB of RAM, and for storage we have 8 GB of hard drive, but we'll not install on this hard drive. We'll first look at booting and running this operating system directly from the CD. Okay, let's power on the machine. So this is the boot up screen, and you can see various window managers listed down here, and you can choose the one which you are more familiar with. I am mostly a user of Fluxbox, so I'll go with that. In addition, you can also customize your desktop environment by using some boot up option, which are known as boot code in Core Linux. But we'll look at that at a later stage. So let's get started with booting. Here you'll see external extensions to Core Linux that are getting loaded, and here you have the desktop. So I'll get started with the terminal. As you can see, the user is TC and the host name is set to box. So let's first start our experiment by booting this Linux with some custom boot code. To do that, we'll exit and we'll ask for a reboot. At this prompt, we select the window manager and press tab to put further option. To know about more booting option, you can go to you can press F1 or F2, and you can see the options that are available. F3 and F4 also gives you extra options. So here you can see there is a host equal to XXX that can be used to set the host name, and you can also pass a user option so that the username that core will provide you can be changed. So we'll just escape to the boot prompt and use host equals to Chandan desktop and user equals to Chandan, and that's it. We can press enter to boot. So once we are in this GUI, we will open a terminal, and now you can see that the username has changed as well as the host name has been set.